Can you hear me?
Mm-hmm.
You can?
Yeah.
Huh.
Are you recording?
Yeah, I
Huh.
think. Yeah, I'm recording.
You finally figure it out?
So I guess we'll see if your voice
Is on yours?
is on here too.
Huh. Be interesting. The river's up pretty good, or it's a little quick. Of course, it didn't rain this morning.
Anyway, my wife and I came up and camped at Horse Thief Campground up on Needles Highway last night. Today's June 15th. It's kind of a practice run for us. You see it in my mirror, pulling our little trailer and with our camping supplies, getting ready for our 9 or 10 day trip up to Glacier National Park and then over to Washington State and back through Yellowstone. We're on Needles Highway here. Drove up pretty much in rain the whole way from Nebraska last night and went to the Alpine Inn for filet mignon, which was awesome. Pitched our tent about, what was it, 9:30 or 10ish in the rain, but it all went good. Just left our rain gear on until we had the tent up and ready. And luckily, only a 20% chance of rain today, so got a few kinks to work out of our camping strategy. But that's why we came. So we're heading down the southbound on Needles Highway, and we'll jump over and go back up Iron Mountain to Keystone, and then we need to run into Rapid City and do a little shopping. And we'll come back down through Iron Mountain and Custer State Park. Maybe we can see some buffalo, elk. My LED headlights that I installed earlier this week worked really good. I never plan on riding in the dark, but 3 times now I've had to, and that's why I went with LEDs for the headlights and fog lights. And anyway, we were planning on getting to the campground before dark last night, but we got delayed by a pretty big thunderstorm with substantial amounts of hail, so we just have my radar app on the phone up when it looks like it's going to be stormy. Saw the storm, pulled over, let the bad part mostly pass, and then carried on. So we were delayed a little bit, and we didn't get into the campground. We were done with supper in Hill City, and we had to drive the last 6 or 7 miles in dark. But the headlights worked really good. The north half of Needles, they had done the armor coating on, so it's got loose gravel on it. Hopefully the guys on motorcycles are being real careful up there. Looks like they're working down here on the south end of it too. Alright, I'm going to pause the video and we'll pick up later on here. Now we're off of Needles Highway on, I think this is 16 or 16A, that goes pretty much east and west between Hermosa and Custer. I don't know. We're on our way eastbound over to the bottom of, or the south end of Iron Mountain Highway now. Last time we were up here was Memorial Day weekend, and there was a pretty big snowstorm that went through the week before, and so there was snow pretty much everywhere except for on the roads. Alright, I'm going to pop off here and I'll start it back up over on Iron Mountain Highway. Now we're up on Iron Mountain Highway headed toward Keystone. That guy was having fun. Did you see his face?
Yeah.
In his PT Cruiser convertible. Whee! At least he was on his side of the road.
He did have both hands on the wheel though.
Always look for scrapes on the top sides of those buses. Judge how good a driver they are. There's the Mount Rushmore. Really isn't as much traffic as I thought there'd be up here.
Hasn't been bad at all.
sure is a lot greener than 2 weeks ago when we were here. Of course, there was snow along the roads, but the trees are leafing out good. All the grass is green. Well, we're about to top of Iron Mountain Highway, and then we're gonna jet on up to Rapid City. So I will jump off of here and maybe come back on down in Custer State Park on our way back through, and we'll take that wildlife loop. Maybe we can see the big herds of buffalo. So thanks for watching. We're on the wildlife loop at Custer State Park. So far, this is the only buffalo we've seen. I don't know how well you'll be able to see them. But there they are. Closest one is about 100 yards away. Talk to you here in a bit.
Wow. What'd you say?
A few more buffalo here. Bump.
Are you recording all the ground hogs? No, what are they called?
Prairie dogs?
Prairie dogs.
No. The only time I'll record those is when I figure out how to hook a recorder up to my rifle scope and watch them turn into nothing but chunks. But I'm still recording, so I'm gonna stop.
Oh.
Now we're in Wind Cave National Park. Chilling, hanging out.
birds on their back?
Picking the fleas off. Oh, I don't know. Well, we're on our way out of Wind Cave National Park. Buffalo up on the hill there. And a whole herd along the highway on this north side. It's a lot more exciting when they're on the highway and you get to drive right through them. Adds a little bit of danger to the ride. Okay, it's about an hour and 40-minute jaunt home, so thanks for watching.